Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make split pea soup with ham hocks. First, rinse 1 pound of dried split peas very well to remove any debris. Then, place them in a large bowl and cover them with several inches of cold water. Let the peas soak for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This simple step significantly reduces your cooking time and helps achieve a wonderfully creamy texture for your soup. Next, let's get those ham hocks ready to infuse our soup with incredible flavor. Take 2 smoked ham hocks and place them in a large pot. Add about 8 cups of water, 1 chopped yellow onion, and 2 bay leaves. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for 2 to 3 hours, or until the ham hocks are fork tender and the meat easily falls off the bone. Once the ham hocks are tender, carefully remove them from the pot and set them aside to cool slightly. Strain the broth to remove the onion and bay leaves, then return the clear broth to the pot. Shred the ham meat from the bones and discard the bones and skin. Now, add your soaked split peas and the shredded ham back into the pot. Simmer for 1 to 1.5 hours, stirring occasionally, until the peas are completely tender and the soup has thickened. Finally, it's time to taste and adjust the seasonings. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. A dash of your favorite hot sauce can also add a nice kick. If the soup is too thick, you can add a little more broth or water. Serve your delicious split pea soup hot, perhaps garnished with some fresh parsley or crunchy croutons. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.